integrating factors. So coming to integrating factors, let m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy equals to 0 be not an exact differential equation. If m dx plus n dy equals to 0 can be made exact by multiplying a suitable function mu of x comma y not equals to 0. Then mu of x comma y is called an integrating factor. First, here we should consider m of x comma y into dx plus n of x comma y into dy. If it is not an exact differential equation, means what we have to do? To make it an exact differential equation, we have to multiply with a suitable function. What is the suitable function here? Mu of x comma y. For making it an exact differential equation, we are multiplying with a suitable function. That is mu of x comma y not equals to 0. Then this suitable function is called an integrating factor. Let us discuss methods of finding integrating factors. So there are 5 methods to find integrating factors. Now let us discuss about method 1, which is by inspection. So for finding integrating factors, there are few differentials in method 1. With the help of these differentials, we are going to find integrating factors. Now coming to these differentials, first d of xy equals to x dy plus y dx. First we are taking x dy plus y dx. Now d of x by y equals to y dx minus x dy by y square. For remembering this, I will show you a technique. So x by y is given. So here x is numerator, y is denominator. So subtract denominator with the numerator and divide it with the denominator square. So here y minus x by y square. It is in the form of differentials. So differentiate y with respect to x. So y dx minus x with respect to y minus x dy by y square. Y by x equals to x dy minus y dx by y square. Now similarly we can use this technique to remember this formula. Now d of log xy equals to x dy plus y dx by xy. Differentiation of log x equals to 1 by x. So here differentiation of log xy equals to 1 by xy. Now here differentiation of inner derivative. Differentiation of xy equals to x dy plus y dx by xy. D of y square by x equals to 2xy dy minus y square dx by x square. So it is in the form of differentiation of u by v. So differentiation of u by v equals to u dash v minus v dash u by v square. So here u is y square, v is x. So here u dash. So differentiation of y square means y square dy equals to 2y. 2y into x as it is, x dy minus x, differentiation of x1 into y square dx by what is v here? X. V square means x square. D of tan inverse y by x equals to x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. For deriving this formula, here tan inverse x equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. So it is in the form of tan inverse x. Now here this tan inverse x we are considering this y by x as x. So here tan inverse y by x equals to 1 by 1 plus y by x whole square. Here 1 plus 1 y by x whole square becomes y square by x square. So 1 by 1 plus y square by x square. We have to take here LCM. 1 by LCM we are going to take here. We are taking here LCM. 1 by x square plus y square by x square equals to this x square will go here. X square by x square plus y square. Now we have to take this inner derivative y by x. So what is the d of y by x? X dy minus y dx by x square into x square What is tan inverse of y by x? X square plus y square into inner derivative x dy minus y dx by x square. This both x squares will be cancelled. So equals to x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. So d of tan inverse y by x equals to x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square. Now next, d of e power x by y equals to y into e power x dx minus e power x dy by y square. So it is in the form of u by v. d of log x by y. What is the derivative of log 1 by x? So here 1 by x into y. Now inner derivative of x by y dx minus x dy by xy. Now d of x square plus y square by 2 equals to x dx plus y differentiation of x square 2x dx, differentiation of y square 2y dy by 2. So we have to take here 2 common. 2 into x dx plus y dy by 2. This both 2's will be cancelled. What is remaining here? X dx plus y dy. Now let us discuss the example problems based on method 1. So what is the question given here? X dy minus y dx equals to x y square dx. Now let us solve the problem. So what is given? X dy minus y dx equals to x into y square dx. So this we should consider as equation 1. That implies x dy equals to xy square dx. If this minus dx goes here means becomes plus y dx. That implies, now we should take this here. Now x into y square dx plus y into dx equals to x dy. That implies x into y square dx plus y dx as it is. Now this x into dy we should take here. So it becomes minus x dy equals to 0. Now we should take dx common here. X into y square plus y into dx minus x dy equals to 0. Now we have to compare this with mdx plus ndy equals to 0. Now we have to compare this with mdx plus ndy equals to 0. Then m equals to x into y square plus y. N equals to minus x. Now we have to differentiate with respect to, here m becomes, here m equals to x into y square plus y, n equals to minus x. Now partially differentiate m with respect to y. So here differentiation of y square 2y. So 2 into xy plus differentiation of y 1. Now differentiate partially n with respect to x. So dou n by dou x equals to minus 1. Therefore dou m by dou y not equals to dou n by dou x. So both are not equal. Therefore equation 1 is not an, so therefore equation 1 is not an exact differential equation. So this both are not equal, so then equation 1 is not an exact differential equation. Now divide equation 1 Now we are dividing equation 1 with y square. Equation 1 here, x into x dy minus y dx by y square equals to x into y square dx by y square. So here this y square will be cancelled. Both y squares will be cancelled. Now what is remaining here? That implies x into x dy, that implies x dy minus y dx by y square equals to x. What is remaining here? X dx. So this is in the form of, since differential of x by y equals to y dx minus x dy by y square. So what is the formula of differential of x by y? Y dx minus x dy by y square. So it is in the form of differential of x by y. So here that implies we have to take here minus common. If you are taking minus common, it is in the form of differential of x by y. So differential of x by y equals to x dx. We have to integrate this. By integrating we get so integral differential of y by x equals to integral x dx. Now this integration and differentiation will be cancelled here. So what is remaining? That implies x by y equals to integral of x dx, x square by 2 plus c. So what is the formula for integral x dx? Integral x dx equals to x square by 2 plus c. So this is the solution. To next problem, what is given here? Y dx minus x dy plus log x dx equals to 0. So what is given here? Let us solve now. Y dx minus x dy plus log x dx equals to 0. So now here we have to take minus common. So minus x dy. So if we are taking here minus common means plus y becomes minus y. Minus y dx plus log x dx equals to 0. Consider this as equation 1. Divide equation 1 with x square. So we are dividing the equation 1 with x square. Minus x into x dy minus x dy minus y dx divided by x square plus log x dx by x square equals to 0. Now this is in the form of differential of y by x equals to x dy minus y dx by x square. That implies minus common differential of y by x plus log x dx by x square equals to 0. That implies minus differential of y by x. Now we have to take this as plus log x into 1 by x square dx equals to 0. Now we have to integrate this. By integrating, we get, after integrating, that implies minus, as it is, integral differential of y by x plus integral log x into 1 by x square dx equals to 0. That implies minus, here integration differentiation will be cancelled. So minus, what is remaining here, y by x plus, now this is in the form of u into v, uv form. So this is in the form of u into v. So what is the formula of uv? Integral uv dx equals to u into integral v dx minus integral u dash into integral v dx here into dx. So what is u here? Log. U equals to log x. Log x into what is v? 1 by x square. So therefore integral 1 by x square dx equals to minus 1 by x. Minus, again minus integral u dash. So what is u? Log x. So differentiation of log dx means 1 by x. 1 by x into integral v. What is integral v again here? Integral 1 by x square dx equals to minus 1 by x into dx equals to 0. That implies minus y by x. Here minus into plus, minus log x by x minus integral minus here 1 by x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx equals to 0. That implies minus y by x minus log x by x minus integral 1 by x square dx means minus 1 by x minus, as it is, open the bracket, minus 1 integral 1 by x square dx means again minus 1 by x. This is a formula for integral 1 by x square dx equals to, what is the formula here? Minus 1 by x equals to 0. That implies minus y by x, as it is, minus log x by x minus, here minus, as it is, here minus into minus plus. So 1 by x minus 1 by x, here minus into minus becomes plus. So 1 by x equals to 0. That implies, here we are taking minus common. So y by x minus into minus plus log x by x minus into minus again plus 1 by x. That implies y plus log x plus 1, take x as whole by x equals to c. This is the solution.